What if I told you there's a banking solution specifically designed to accelerate your real estate investments, simplify your finances, and give you back precious time you're currently spending on tedious administrative tasks? For years, real estate investors have grappled with generic banking services that simply don't understand the unique rhythms and demands of their business. We've all been there, juggling multiple accounts, waiting days for funds to clear, struggling with limited transaction histories, and feeling like our bank is more of a hurdle than a partner. But what if a bank truly understood the investor's journey? What if it was built from the ground up to support the rapid acquisition of properties, the intricate dance of rental income and expenses, the crucial need for accurate financial reporting, and the constant drive for scalability? This isn't a hypothetical scenario anymore. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changer for real estate investors, Relay Bank. You see, traditional banks operate on a model that often feels antiquated in the fast-paced world of real estate. They cater to a broad spectrum of customers, which means their services are generalized. This generalization, while seemingly efficient for them, often creates significant inefficiencies for you, the real estate investor. Think about it. How many times have you felt frustrated by a lack of specialized features, or a customer service representative who just doesn't grasp the nuances of a 1031 exchange, or the urgency of closing on a deal? The real estate investment landscape is unique. It's characterized by large capital flows, often rapid transaction cycles, the need for clear separation of funds for different properties, and a constant demand for accurate, up-to-date financial data. Generic banking solutions simply aren't equipped to handle this complexity with the elegance and efficiency that modern investors require. This often leads to a patchwork approach, investors trying to force square pegs into round holes, using spreadsheets to compensate for inadequate bank statements, and spending countless hours manually tracking transactions that a specialized banking platform could automate. This is precisely where Relay Bank steps in. Relay isn't just another online bank, it's a banking platform meticulously crafted with the needs of real estate investors at its core. It's designed to be intuitive, powerful, and deeply integrated with the tools and workflows you already use, or should be using, to manage your real estate portfolio. Imagine a banking experience where your financial operations are streamlined, transparent, and actively support your growth, rather than hindering it. That's the promise of Relay Bank. Let's break down exactly how Relay Bank transforms the banking experience for real estate investors. The first, and perhaps most significant, advantage is its emphasis on multiple accounts and robust categorization. As a real estate investor, you're likely dealing with multiple properties, each with its own income and expenses. Traditional banks often make it cumbersome to open and manage numerous sub-accounts, or they charge fees for doing so. Relay Bank, on the other hand, embraces this necessity. You can easily set up multiple checking accounts, each dedicated to a specific property, a specific project, or even a specific purpose like a capital expenditure fund or a security deposit account. This level of granular control is invaluable. It eliminates the need for complex internal tracking systems and gives you an immediate, clear picture of the financial health of each individual asset. No more commingling funds, no more headaches at tax time trying to disentangle expenses from different properties. This clarity is not just about convenience, it's about making informed, data-driven decisions about your portfolio. You can instantly see which properties are performing well, which might need attention, and where your capital is truly flowing. Beyond just multiple accounts, Relay Bank offers enhanced transaction visibility and categorization. This goes beyond a simple transaction list. Relay allows you to add detailed notes to transactions, attach receipts, and even create custom categories that align with your real estate accounting practices. Think about the time you spend at the end of the month or quarter trying to reconcile bank statements with your accounting software. With Relay, that process is dramatically simplified. Every transaction can be tagged and categorized in real time, making financial reporting and tax preparation significantly less burdensome. Imagine clicking on a specific property account and instantly seeing all income from rent, all expenses for repairs, property taxes, insurance, all neatly categorized and readily available. This level of detail empowers you to analyze your cash flow with unprecedented precision, identify trends, and make proactive adjustments to optimize your returns. Now, let's talk about integrations. This is where Relay Bank truly shines as a modern banking solution. Real estate investors often use a suite of tools, property management software, accounting platforms, expense tracking apps. The friction often arises when these tools don't communicate seamlessly with your bank. Relay Bank has built-in integrations with popular platforms like QuickBooks Online and Xero, which are staples for many real estate businesses. This means your financial data can flow directly from Relay into your accounting software, eliminating manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Imagine rent payments automatically categorizing themselves in QuickBooks, or repair expenses flowing directly from your bank feed to your property ledger. This automation saves you hours, frees you from tedious administrative tasks, and ensures the accuracy of your financial records. Furthermore, this seamless data flow provides real-time financial insights, allowing you to react quickly to market changes or unexpected expenses. Another crucial aspect for real estate investors is cash flow management. The ebb and flow of rental income, the unpredictable nature of repairs, and the significant capital outlays for acquisitions all demand sophisticated cash flow planning. Relay Bank provides features that facilitate this. Its clear account structures and detailed transaction data allow you to forecast your cash position with greater accuracy. You can easily see upcoming expenses, track expected income, and ensure you have sufficient liquidity for ongoing operations and future investments. This foresight is critical for avoiding financial surprises and for seizing new opportunities when they arise. Beyond that, the ability to quickly transfer funds between your various Relay accounts means you can strategically allocate capital to where it's needed most, whether it's building up a reserve for a new acquisition, covering an unexpected repair on a different property, or distributing profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.